So friends, this coin plant, it had kind of withered because I forgot to water it to the morning. Okay, so I saw and I watered it, and now I'm trying to capture the movement of this beautiful leaf. I think you can see the way it's gaining its turgidity and it's rising up. See how nice it's rising up slowly. Look at the movement. See, so plants can move. No wind, no air. It's windy because it is absorbing water. The cells are getting turgid. It's rising straight up. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? So I'll help it out a little bit. This one. Yeah. Yeah. See, this one. Yes. Oh my God, it's standing straight now. This is so lovely. Look at it. So before sometime it was like this, just the inclination was this, and now it turned like this, huh? That's it. Isn't it wonderful? Thank you.